Well, today will be cleanup day from the severe weather that blew through West Michigan yesterday during the late afternoon and evening hours. As you can see, conditions quieting down downtown Grand Rapids. As you can see, traffic moving along pretty smoothly, at least through the heart of the city right now. After some earlier accidents, temperatures now are holding steady in the low to mid 30s, and it actually feels like we have turned the clock backward into a late January or early February kind of an air mass with that northwesterly wind today. We're going to keep a lid on temps, and our daytime readings will actually combine forces with the gusty winds to keep those feels like readings in the 20s and 30s all day. So breezy, much colder, some flurries, a light wintry mix this morning, but we'll dry out and actually see some sunshine today. Tomorrow will be dry, but we are already in an enhanced risk area for severe weather with a developing system for Wednesday that will be coming through. Storm Prediction Center placing much of central and southern lower Michigan in a level 3 out of 5 risk potential for severe weather with the next spring storm system that'll be coming in. We do see it clearing out very quickly with quiet weather conditions for Thursday and Friday, and no major warm-ups are ahead for us anytime soon. As you can see here, the satellite radar composite, a little bit of light snow flurry activity coming together. Lingering snow across the UP and northern lower Michigan is clearing out, and as this system continues to move away from us, it will open the door once again for that drier air to take over today. So big holes in the clouds beginning to develop. We should see a pretty sunset this evening, a really nice sunrise tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow during the afternoon, the core of the coldest air starts to retreat. Actually see more of a west to east flow start to develop, and that'll bring us back into a little more in the way of cloud cover by Tuesday afternoon into the evening hours. The next area of moisture and energy to climb in, that'll produce a little bit of a light snow rain mix during the overnight, late Tuesday night into early Wednesday. By Wednesday mid-morning, I'm concerned about this swath where you see the pinks. There certainly could be a setup in the atmosphere here across the central part of the state, similar to what happened across the UP over the weekend, where we get some freezing rain and a wintry mixture of precipitation that may cause some significant icing from about the I-96 corridor up to around the Cadillac areas. We'll quickly see that precip change over to showers and storms, and that's where we will see the potential for severe weather working through. The severe outlook, that enhanced risk area, moves up to central Ottawa, Kent, Ionia counties over to just north of Lansing and points off to the south. And once again, that will be during the day Wednesday late afternoon into the evening and overnight period. That system clears out with highs in the 60s before the system rolls through. We're into the 50s for Thursday and Friday with some sunshine. The weekend looks like it'll feature variably cloudy skies, cooler temps, and perhaps a few rain or snow showers. And then the 8 to 14 day outlook pools the really warm air out west, the central and eastern United States with the colder than average temps. That takes us through that second full week of April, and it looks as though we'll likely see several days during that stretch with high temps that may not make it out of the 40s.